Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Akit na kami. Ito na yung exciting part. Ayan na si Ruby, makit na. Mamaya sasakit na yung tuhod niyan. Look at this.
Spiders in there.
Bye-bye. Hey. Your feet gonna hurt. What is it? Your gown is good?
That is good. It's not even hurting anymore. It's good.
I think I have gout.
You think you have gout now?
Your mom.
Cái khấy nó bên này hả?
That's beautiful.
Cái nhà cho có.
Oh, oh, I can't walk anymore.
We're just at the beginning. Just gonna have to shower when we get home because it's a little bit sweaty. Alam mo, vlog na hả? Oh, okay.
Okay. Ang laki ng mga puno, no? Kasi papi. Pamay. Hiningal ako. Ano? Kaya pa? Ay, thank you Lord. Makapagpahinga rin. Pero parang hindi ako nakapagpahinga. Dahil sa hiking na to. Bakit na kami? Pupunta na naman kami doon sa ano. Ay. Exercise din, no? Ano? Kaya pa? Buhatin na. Lalabas na. Bawa na, baby is coming out. Di ba, Papa, nakata ko na maaga kakaganto natin, no? Araw-araw pa naman tayo mga.
Dạ hả? Dạ mừng ra. Cái gì ai trả được?
Tawang-tawa ka, alam mo hindi siya hinihingal ka din eh. Ha? Hinihingal ka din. Oo naman. Bak kayo nga hinihingal, ako pa. Ba't parang hindi ka hinihingal? Hala? Pwede na mga anak. Ano ba yun yung binat na binat na. Go, nasobrahan na sa kakagalaw. Dito na nga ako, hirap yun. Yay! Matapos na kami! Sa likod sila. And then ang bridge. So, pauwi na kami mga si Papi. Nag-enjoy naman kahit pagod. Ay, putik. Nakakatakot yung mga sasakyan ng bibilis. May nagbo-boat. Yan o. Finally. Nandun kami kanina oh. Wala yun ang nilakbay namin.
Grabe, parang
Ganda,
kung
no?
isipin mo, be. Parang tinawid natin yung ano.
Yeah! Ang layo oh! Grabe! Pero maganda. Worth it. Nag-try daw kami ng boat. So, itong mga kasama ko hindi pa rin pagod. Pagod na yung kalawang lupa. Ay. Pero tingnan natin kung maganda ba. Mother-in-law ko. Pinapanood niya yung video niya kanina. May umihilik na rito. Oh, snoring. Wow. Wow, ang ganda. I think we're here.
I find it pretty fascinating.
Clinton
Well, there
Beach.
was this other guy, I listened to the podcast and they claim that the job by alien people. And they're like, because I told him he's a Christian, right? And then they're trying to take our gospel to alien. And then as soon as he mentioned the word Jesus,
5?
You're all set, lane 2 or 3.
Thank you. Lane 2 or 3, okay.
yeah, that's it for me. I'm a little bit suspicious when people say that low potential.
Okay, pasok na tayo sa barko.
We are going.
We're going to the
We are going.
bridge.
Oh,
Oh, to the boat.
there's the ferry.
There's the ferry.
Pasok
Yeah,
kami sa ferry,
That's a
Day.
long ride. Are you recording?
Yeah, can you record it?
You want me to record it?
Yeah.
Where do I go? I guess I just.
follow the
Oh,
guy.
I guess it's telling me to go.
Yeah, I talked to him a couple of times.
That's not too bad. I think we're just sat for like 15, 20 minutes.
차 대가 깜빡 나. Okay, Bert, let's go.
Đi về đi.
Hả? Không từ nữa, không sát sổ á.
Huling-huli. So, we're going upstairs mga chupapi sa taas ng barko. Tignan natin kung maganda ba yung taas ng barko. Yung aking mother-in-law nagbubulag pa. Oh, bitala. Nice.
We'll go to the bathroom too.
Okay. Are you? I think he's hungry. You want that one?
Peach. Peach.
Antok pa siya eh. So, ang pamasahe lang dito, every car ang bayad. We're going na! Let's go! Tingnan natin yung harap. Ma-under na yung ship. Get near. Like how many minutes to go?
Life jackets can be found underneath bench seats in the passenger cabin, on the sun deck in lockers, and on the car deck in drop-ins located at both ends of the
So, it's
vessel.
my first time to work here.
To learn more about donning the life jackets or other shipboard emergency responses,
So, punta kami sa harap para makita nyo yung ganda ng view.
passengers in the galley. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoy
They can go outside.
You can go outside if you want. It's cold, so I want to stand
You
here. But
scared.
if you want to go outside, you can.
You're just scared.
I'm cold.
Yee. Olivia, I wanna go outside.
Yeah, go ahead. Just go right there. They're outside too. Go with them.
Ang bilis ng takbo. Oh, ang bilis. Nakaka-chupapi, oh. Hindi siya maalo. Itong mother-in-law ko and sister-in-law. Let's go. So, ayun yung harap ng barko. Ganun pataas dun eh. Kaya lang, hindi kami nasa taas. Pinaka-ano lang. Ang asawa ko. Mag-ito. Diba? Ganda. Nilalamig na yung aking sister-in-law kaya pumasok. Pero ang bilis niya, oh. Ilang minutes lang kaya to? Ang bilis eh, oh. Bilis ng takbo. Huwag ka lang pumesto dito sa bandang gilid kasi para ka malulula. Ay, ang sarap! Tagal na namin hindi nakasakay ng barko. Ay hindi, first time ko lang pala. First time ko lang bangkalang pala yung sasakyan ko dati. Ngayon, first time ko nakasakay ng barko. Ang ganda. Yung aking mother-in-law, hindi natatakot oh. Sige, hala, sige. Hala, sige. Diba? Oo. Yan ang aking mother-in-law. Bait yan. Tahimik lang sa umpisa, pero tak-tak din yan. Kasi pero mabait siya. Parang nanay ko rin, tak-tak, ganun. Lalamig na ako tayo. Malapit na kami. Diba, ang bilis. Malapit na kami sa kabilang isla. Parang umikot lang kami. Diba? Kaya daw kami nagbarko kasi traffic daw doon pag umikot na naman kami. So pag nagbarko kami, nagroro kami, malapit na lang kami sa bahay, diba? Ang bilis, no? Masarap. Dami lakot. I-zoom natin. yan yung pupuntahan namin. Ay, dito yata yun. Yun yung may mga barko. Yan yun. Diyan kami bababa. Medyo malayo pa naman. Pero ang bilis namin, oh. Oh. Ano kami kanina, eh, oh. Medyo kami kanina, oh. Oh. Ang bilis niya, no? Ang ganda, kachupapi. Kahit hindi siya walang araw ngayon, at least hindi umulan, di ba? Maganda pa rin ang panahon. Thank you, Lord. Lapit na kami agad. We're near already. It's only like 5 minutes.
It's very fast. Driving around and then it's long, but
Yeah.
just crossing the lake, it's quick.
Yeah. Faster. This is ocean or lake?
This is just a lake.
Lake.
Yeah, this is not the ocean.
That's good. You can go out. It's very fresh, refreshing your mind.
It's very cool.
I'm glad I wear my jacket. Thank you. Hmm? Baby,
Go ahead. Thank you. Go ahead. Oh, no. Yucky.
yucky. 30
Okay.
You wanna go outside?
It's cold. Did you try?
Yeah, I can.
So cold, huh?
Oreo.
I'm a lucky chaplain. I just brother Jean and you're not a shit show.
You want the auntie?
He gets all the benefits. He's like, no, it's mine.
Yung tendero,
No, the
Filipino
mother much
dinadadala.
He's trying to grab
Yung
it.
tendero, Filipino dinadadala ko.
Ah?
Ooh, I get
Pipinoy din pala dito. Ang bilis no. 5 minutes lang.
Ha?
Wala pang 5 minutes.
Namo nuna mani mo to shai ke shi namo you know mani ting ding day. He's proud of himself.
I know, he's very proud of himself.
He's like, I got one. I got one.
Mimi. Mimi, auntie.
Auntie Winnie.
I want 3.
He's like, no way.
Ayo. Ayo.
Cannot reach.
What?
Very short ride, yeah.
What's that?
Your attention, please.
I told
We are
you.
now arriving
It's
at
got
our
like 5 minutes.
Back down.
Please make sure that you have all of your personal belongings before disembarking the vessel.
It's very fast.
Prior to passengers, return
Auntie,
to the
give me auntie.
For safe
You want to Winnie?
I thought it's gonna be 1 hour
I thought so too.
or 30 minutes.
Lang na na-enjoy, no? Hindi ka mo lang nakatulog.
from the main
Mami, open it big.
cyclists should return to their bicycles.
Can't get it.
Palakihin mo
All
nga.
passengers must disembark the vessel upon arrival. Thank you for sailing aboard the Washington State Ferry. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Let's go.
Go na. That's it?
We're here. Ang bilis naman. You gonna enjoy? Maybe I didn't enjoy. Can we ride back? Babaan na kami. Very, very fast. Yeah. We are here. Yeah. Popcorn. Want some?
Chị tí là tài sát đi à.
Why don't you put him here? We're here.
Đúng rồi, bây giờ nó nằm ngoài cấp cho bé đùn trai.
We're gonna leave
Chị giờ hỏi
now.
lọc.
We're home now. We're home now.
Không có cho bé đùn trai mà chị mua lũ nào bây giờ. Vậy đúng nó thấy thôi nâng cho nó.
Thầy lú hơn nha.
Thầy lũ số lọ. Đi nó lũ trà.
Có câu đó ha.
Là sao tỏ tiền của tôi là
Cậu trâu đùa lọ.
Thì một đấy mà sao mà tí
Dạ,
một đấy
cúc phi gì thế giờ?
là sao đi sao tỏ
Lạ đi thế giờ. Lạ đi tí lò thế. Cậu trâu đùa.
Yay!
Cái chúng làอยู่y dân thế.
We're leaving.
Ô, lỡ chạm một ít cho kệ của đi nó lỡ sông tông nhia ấy giờ.
Galing no, kachipapi no.
Ô, trời ơi,
Some people riding here.
Ô, trời ơi.
Ayan din, mga pasahero rin yan, mga kachipapi. Ayan. Sasakay din yan ng roar. Yung mga sasakyan na yan.
Trên con tự viên không?
Ayun, yung barko na sinakyan namin. Ayun, malaki. Very malaki. So, nandito na kami. Malapit na kami sa bahay namin agad. After long ride. Pwede palang magbarko. Dapat palang pala, nagbarko na lang pala kami. Ano? Ganda naman ang bahay pag doon ka nakatira. Oh. No, kachupapi. Ganda ng bahay pag diyan ka nakatira. Kasi yung view mo ano eh, dagat.
Inuan như là có cái thảnh như nó dọc. Nhưng mà chúng đi chúng ô là mà mới chỉ hẳn như tiêu tiêu. Nên là thảnh bà sữa dọc.
Ito ang Seattle, mga kachupapi, Washington,
Nó
Seattle.
là thảnh bà đi nè.
Medyo traffic na. Ito yung mga bahay dito mga kachupapi. Papakita ko sa inyo.
Dạ, thầy you. Can you?
Nagwawala na, day.
Come on, buddy.
Why are you going there?
Hey, buddy, we're home. Come on in. Oh, you're home.
Why? Wanna go up? Hmm? Oh,
Where's your stone?
where's your stone?
In the car? In the car seat. You tell uncle to get your stone.
His rock?
Yeah.
If I got his rock,
Yours too big.
let's go get his rock then.
Okay, uncle gonna get it for
Where is
you.
it? Where is it? I'm already starting to grow.
Let's
move.
There's one big one.